Hey y'all, welcome back to Lala's Lounge. Today I'm going to be installing some crochet hair. So you see me here blow drying my friend Shamika's head so that I can braid her hair down to make it easier to install the actual hair. Here is the front. I'm doing the rubber band method in the front. Here's the back where I braided it all like in a snake, and I'm going to sew this piece of hair up into the her braids itself. Here is the hair. I will put the description in the bottom of the box. She bought this hair off of Amazon. I know it's two-tone color, so we're going to install it and see. Here I'm using my crochet needle. You have to open up the hair at the top where the little hole is so that you can get the hair onto the hook. You're going to close the latch on the hook, pull it through the braid at the bottom of the braid. You can wrap it around the end of the hair around the hook again and then slide it through, or you can put it through manually if you want to. But since these were so small, it slid right through the hook opening, so it just made it easier for me to just pull it through that way. So I'm going to show you this a couple times on how I put the hair on the hook. Sorry about the angle. We hear her daughter recording. Shout out to Ken for me. So it's not the best side of my head, but I think she got another view. So hold on one second. Okay, so here is the final look. It ended up turning out fine. I think she liked it. So if you guys want to see more of a detailed description of how this was installed, I have another video that I've done a while back. And again, thanks for tuning in. Thanks, Shamika, for letting me do this style on your head, honey. I think we used about 7 packs of hair on here. I don't know how many twists she has, but she has a lot. And technically, we could have probably put more in, but, you know, we just ran out of hair. We used every pack she had. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Tell Pookie I said what's up. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.